favorite unboxing I have ever done. So Scooby-Dooby-Doo is the brick game. Oh, wow. Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope you guys are doing great. I know I have been missing for quite some time now. There's been a lot going on and I hardly find time these days to create some useful content, but today's video is going to be really interesting, and especially if you are a 90s kid just like me, you are gonna love this video. I am pretty sure of it. So please do keep watching till the end. And if you are new to this channel, you know what to do. Go hit the subscribe button right away and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Hit the bell icon. Yes, so let's get into the video. Today's video is going to be a cute little haul video. So a few days ago I came across this brand called, I'll tell you all this towards the end of the video. I came across this brand on Instagram which sells some amazing and cute little products, or should I say chocolates, which are very special to 90s kids, especially if you're someone who was born between say 1990s to 2K. I wouldn't include the 2K kids, but yes, you guys do watch this video if you are a 2K kid and you have some pretty interesting information that you can get to know. So let's dive into it. So this is the parcel that I received. So a quick backstory. I came across this page on Instagram and then I quickly placed an order with them. And I forgot to add one product which was not available. So I DM'd them on Instagram and asked them if they can add it to my order and that I would pay for them. But this brand, they were already following me and they were kind enough to send some extra products. My order was for about say 600 rupees, I guess. And they've sent some extra products as well, which was not in as a part of my order. So just a little bit backstory there. So let's go into the box and see what we've got. So this is how the package arrived. So basically this brand also makes like gift hampers, especially for say kids' birthday parties, or even if you're a grown-up, especially like I said 90s kids. This box is a super cute gift hamper. I actually wanted to make this video with my husband and kind of wanted to gift this to him because it's his birthday month and it's his birthday is going to be in the next week. So I was kind of hoping to make a video with him, but then he's super busy. I couldn't get his appointment unfortunately, so I'm making this video alone. Anyways, he's going to get this box. So let's go see what is inside this box. This is definitely going to be a drive down a memory lane. A lot of childhood memories is going to be unwrapped. So let's get into it. I know I'm making this video on my bed because it was too hot outside. So this is how the box came in. So let's get into it and let's unbox it. Oh my god, so cute. Look at this. There's also a special note. So I already read this, but I'll read it for you guys again. So it says, "Hi Anusha, you have no idea how happy we are at TTJ to know this box is coming to you. I'm your huge fan mainly because my husband and I are Tamilian and Kannadiga just like you guys. Thank you so much for reaching out to us. Lots of love." So yes, this is a special note Apurva has written. Like this, she mentioned this again when I reached out to her on Instagram to add that particular item. So yes, that was a sweet little note. Thank you so much, Apurva. And oh wow, just the first thing I see is just taking me back to those days, starting with Tinkle Digest. I don't know I should be saying this a lot, but if you haven't read Tinkle in your childhood, you have missed out a lot. A major part of your childhood days, I would say. Okay, so the first item that we are going to be talking about from this box is the Tinkle Digest comic. I have a lot of memories related to this comic, especially because when we were in Chennai during my, I think when I was about 6th to 9th standard, somewhere around that time. So my mom used to get the subscription based magazines and Tinkle was one of them. She used to get them for me like every week or every 2 weeks once. I'm not sure, I don't remember exactly, but there used to be this Anna who used to come and give these magazines like for rental basis. So we used to have Vickerton, Femina, Women's Era, and Tinkle. She used to get it just for me, and I used to buy it and read it especially for the Kalia comic and Supandi. Yes, those are two of my favorites. And definitely Tinkle is my all-time favorite. I am so connected to this magazine especially. So yes, this is the first item. I think this was for about 120 or 160 on their website. This was a product that I had missed out on ordering, and which is why I had contacted them, and they were super kind enough to add it to my box. So yes, this is the first product. Tinkle for you guys. Yes. The next product here is something that all of the 90s kids would have owned at least in some point of their childhood. Is the brick game. Yes, look at the product. Super cute. The vibrant colors these used to come in earlier. I think I had a very similar one in orange only. I had one. And it was super addictive. More than me, my mom was super addicted to this, especially the Tetris game, which later came in the desktop. We used to play that, but this is where it all started. And I'll just show you how this works. So I already have the batteries in place, so I'll just switch it on. I don't know if you can see, it's already switched on, and I had paused the game and it started now. I'm losing clearly, but then if you guys can see, yes, this is a brick game. Whoops, that sound, yes. Oh, where's the rotate? I should definitely be hiding this from my mom, because I know she's going to be addicted to this again if she sees this, and she'll steal this from me for sure. So another super amazing item is the brick game. I'm not sure about the costing, but later part of the video I'll definitely be adding the website where you can order this from, or the page where you can DM and get it from. So please do check it out. Let's move on to the next item. Next item in the box is something which I personally have not used, I have not played with, but I am aware of this. It is the catapult. Yes, so I'm not sure how exactly to use this. Probably you put the stone here and then you just hit it like this, or I don't know, is it like this? I don't know if it's the right way, guys, but definitely for all the boys out there especially, I think this is something which you guys would have played with for sure. So I think it's made out of wood. So amazing product. Look at this, and the colors as well, they've kept it so similar to what we used to get in those days. So yes, definitely another beautiful product. It's a catapult. So far we've seen all of these products. Now it's time for us to dive into the box. All we have got here, just look at that. So this is basically just the chocolates part of it, and I see a couple of other items as well. So I'll just quickly show you what is there in there. First up, we have the top, which we call Bambaram. This is again one of my favorite things to play with. Used to be one of my favorite things to play with when I was a kid. So I used to go on the street, and we used to have some, area friends, and we all used to play Bambaram on the road. So this was really nice. I don't know if I can still do that. I will definitely try it. Maybe I'll show it to you in my Instagram stories or something. So yes, this is one product. It's the top. So let's keep that aside. Moving on, Magic Pops. Yes, look at that. These are the ones where you eat it and then it goes tap inside your mouth. These also used to be one of my favorites, but I kind of didn't like how it felt in the mouth. So that's the Magic Pops aside. And yes, so these are the Phantom cigarettes, sweet cigarettes. Yes, this is again one of the favorites. So definitely yes, Phantom cigarettes. I'll see if I can open one box and show it to you guys. Oh wow. So I'm just opening one box. It's taking some time. Okay, I see 2 are stuck, but nevertheless, this is the product. So, how could we unbox a Phantom Cigarette packet and not do this? Smoking is injurious to health, guys. You can get this box especially and eat all you want, but say no to smoking. So that's 2 boxes of Phantom cigarettes. Let's keep it aside. So look at the packaging, it's exactly the same. And I never knew that these used to come with some crossword puzzles at the back. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yes, if you can see this, look at that. You have some crossword puzzle on this box, and on this box we have like a Scrabble. So I think find the word kind of a thing. Yeah. Next up, we're going to see some fridge magnets. Yes, this is the first one. This is a superhero. I know this. It starts with, I can't say, but I would love it for you guys to guess this person's name in the comments. So this is one cute fridge magnet. So let's put that aside. And I don't even have to tell you to guess this. This is our Scooby-Dooby-Doo famous. So very cute. This is again a fridge magnet. And I think we're done with the other stuff. It's all chocolates now. So let's move on to the chocolate part of it. The first thing that I see here is this. So we've got Coffee Bite and Coconut Punch. These used to be our favorite. I think we used to get it for some 5 rupees. This entire thing for 5 rupees, I think. And it was super nice. There used to be one more called Caramilk, and I never found it again. I think Coffee Bite we still do get it, but I've not seen Coconut Punch in a long while. But then Caramilk is something I have not come across anywhere at all. Let's see. Oh yes, see, we've got Caramilk as well. This again used to be one of the other favorites. So damn nice that they could find Caramilk as well. That aside, I can spot Poppins, our favorite. This used to be for 2 rupees if I'm not wrong. We used to get this entire thing. I think now it's more than that, maybe 5 or 10, I'm not sure. So Poppins again, I used to love the orange and the pink color. Let me know which was your favorite color in Poppins. So that is Poppins. And yes, these ones, Ravel Gone, if I'm not wrong. I don't know what this is called. Yes, it's the Ravel Gone. This used to come in many flavors. The strawberry, we have strawberry, I think lemon. Yeah, we have all of these here. But these used to come in many more flavors. So this is Ravel Gone right there. And I can spot the gold coin, guys. We used to go crazy about these gold coins, and these used to be pretty expensive compared to the other ones. Expensive as in these used to be 2 rupees or sometimes 3 rupees out of the other ones there, because all of these Mango Bite and all of that used to be for 25 paise and then 50 paise, but this used to be for 2 rupees, which was comparatively expensive, and we would get these only on the rare days. But somehow I felt the taste of these golden coin chocolates are were not that great. It was not the actual chocolate feeling. So we had the gold coins again. And yes, I can spot our OG Mango Bite. Look at this Mango Bite, guys. Yes. And we have this as well. We used to call it Pulip Mithai. No, this is not Pulip Mithai. This is Orange Mithai is what we used to call in Chennai. I'm not sure what you call this in Kannada. Huli Mithai maybe, I don't know. So this is again that. Oh my god, this box is literally filled with nostalgia. So many chocolates that we have grown up eating. So let's put the Mango Bite and all of this aside. I can spot Kiss Me. Yes, look at this. Whoops. Yep, this is Parle Kiss Me. This again used to be one of the other favorites. And what is this? What does it say? This again, Ravel Gone Gold. Okay. Pan Pasand. Okay, I have not eaten this before. So this is something that's new to me. So let's move on. We have Melody. I think Melody came in somewhere in the later, 90s. Not even 90s, 2000s, I guess. So 2K kids would know Melody. But Melody itni chocolatey kyun hai was a favorite dialogue. So yes, definitely. Melody also used to be one of the most famous chocolate, especially when we used to have birthdays in schools and people used to distribute chocolates. Melody was, always the most common chocolate we could find. So Melody there for you guys. And we have this Imli candy, which is the Pulip Mithai. My favorite, my mom's favorite, my dad's favorite. Imli candy, Pulip Mithai. On the similar lines, we have this Naturo, which is the what do you call this? This is called something fruit bar, but then this had some other local name which I cannot recollect now. So this is Naturo, again one of my other favorites. This is also on the pulp side of it, it has the mango sourness. So yes, this is the fruit bar. It's made from the fruit pulp of mangoes. I remember every time my dad used to go on some work trips to, I think, Andhra, somewhere there, Visakhapatnam or somewhere, he used to get loads of this, but I'm not sure if it's Andhra or somewhere north. But yes, this again has another special memory edge to it. So Naturo, again, one of the favorites. So we've already done Kiss Me. What is this? Lacto King. Oh my god, these are all forgotten chocolates, guys. The moment I see this now, I remember, how crazy we used to be about all of these chocolates. Lacto King. Oh wow, these used to be for 50 paise or 25 paise if I'm not wrong. And most of the time when the shopkeeper ran out of change, he used to just pop a Lacto King. Or most of the time it was Ace chocolate, or I couldn't find Ace though. Should have been, if you're watching this video, then you should definitely add Ace chocolate to this. So this is Lacto King. And again, the Pulip Mithai is done. This is done. This is done. What are these? These look like Supari, but it's called Guru Chela. I think it's a mouth freshener. Yeah, it's a mouth freshener, guys. I have not eaten this before. I will definitely, try this and put it up on my stories on Instagram. So you can check it out there, how, to see how this is. This is Tidbits. Again, Tidbits. I am not sure. I have not had this. Oh no, I think I have had this before. But I really can't recollect how this tastes. Is it those soft kind of a freshener? I'm not sure. But yeah, this is again Tidbits. And Fatafat, the Ayurvedic digestive pills. Yes, exactly. Something similar to Hajmola. I think I should have ordered Hajmola as well. But I saw it on their website. They have Hajmola as well. But Hajmola, we do find it in any other medical store. So that is why I did not order that. Next up, what are these? I think these are bubble gums. If I'm not wrong, these are bubble gums. And again, I forgot the name of this. It's something Fusion bubble gum. Yes, these are bubble gums. Yes, so cute. Oh my god, I'm loving this. This is the favorite unboxing video that I've done so far, I guess. And I think we've just left with one final thing, is the Rola Cola. This is also similar to Poppins, like something of this kind, but this is especially for the Coca-Cola feels that we used to get when our parents used to restrict us from having Coke. Then this would be the substitute, and we used to get so happy that when they would get this for us. So Rola Cola there. And yes, that is it. These are all the chocolates that we have gotten here. Guys, I hope you liked this video. That's it. We've come to the end of it. The unboxing is done. And coming to where I bought these from, it's from this brand called the Toffee Jar on Instagram. So one thing is, either you can place orders like this, randomly from the website. You can pick and choose, add to cart, whatever you want. Or they also do customize, specialized gift hampers, or say birthday hampers, which you can also tell them your specifications and customizations. They also do that. I will definitely tag their Instagram page where you can go and order, and also mention the website link in the description below. So definitely I would recommend them. Look at this, just so much of cuteness. And if you want your kids, like the present Gen Z, to know about all of this, definitely order them a box of this. I am not sure if they would appreciate, but again, this is the perfect, the most favorite unboxing I have ever done so far. So much of nostalgia attached to this box, and so many memories that I went back to. So let me know in the comments if there was any memory that you would relate to with any of these items in this box that you saw, and I would definitely love to read them. So please drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like and share this video. So, ta-da, bye-bye, and I'll see you in the next video.